Hello everybody and welcome to Team Canada Sharepoint training. We'll just outline an introduction to Sharepoint and what it can do for you. The basic functionality of Sharepoint is that it's a national job posting board. You're able to post a job, put a description, and assign CSRs and recruiters to the task. You're also able to have a national file share database to share all the latest OneStrong team and at work documents. You also have a branch file share database for all of your branch files that you need to share or collaborate between branches. There's also a branch task list where you can create to-dos for you and your staff at your branch. There's 6 recruiting regions that we've created for ease of use and collaboration between the branches, recruiters, and national accounts. Each region is specific to the recruiting area, such as the West Coast, which has Vancouver and the surrounding cities, Calgary and Edmonton, Alberta, Central, which is Saskatoon, Manitoba, and Sudbury, the GTA, which has the GTA branches, and Southern Ontario, which is Windsor, St. Catharines in the area. And finally, we have the East Coast, which is Ottawa and Halifax. You'll find with Sharepoint also that it's mobile accessible, it's cloud-based, so it's real-time available to you, and you're able to access it through a tablet or through your smartphone if you opt in to the True Blue policies. For sales managers, you'll be able to pull up a resume in front of a client to show the goods and show a candidate on the spot to your potential client. You'll be able to see how many workers are being intaked and where recruitment gaps are in your worker pool. You'll have transparency in terms of how big the active worker pool for your branch is and be able to identify challenges for recruitment that you have. You'll have higher retention of PeopleReady temporary employees, as they never leave the database, and you can call past employees on a set schedule to bring them back. You're able to also pull their email addresses in case you want to create a newsletter. So there's way more interaction with your past employees and being able to assign a value to them and get back in touch with them if need be. As a market recruiter, you're going to have a lot more tools available for you with Sharepoint. It's an easy way to see all national job postings requests by using the My Assigned Tasks link. You'll have prioritization of which jobs to recruit for quickly and transparency with due dates. So you'll know when a job is no longer being recruited for, you'll know when a due date for a certain job is, and you'll also know the priority of that job. There's a national database for you as a market recruiter to search candidates instantly for those projects such as Fort Mac or other large projects that need immediate attention. You'll have tracking of all your candidates that have entered the branches and see if they're assigned to a job or if they've been contacted recently. And there's easy follow-up with branch staff because you're able to quickly pull a list of recruitment tasks that you have for a certain branch and collaborate with that staff through Office 365 immediately. That concludes our introduction to Sharepoint. Next thing will be our practical tutorial, which is about 45 minutes outlining all the basic navigations and how to use Sharepoint.